you want me to bring out?
Yes, please, Mr. James Day, the even numbered breakout rooms. I'll do it that way.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Hold on. Miss Rucker, could you act? Okay. We wait for Mr. Day.
Okay.
Mr. Day, could you turn on the video? Okay. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While question session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, walking around, listen to electronic devices. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Go upstairs.
And Mr. Day, you have to go somewhere where it's completely quiet. I'm gonna put you on mute for right now.
You know what? Let's get Mr. Day out of here.
Okay, Mr. Day, could you tap your device and unmute your device?
Yes.
Right, this is the People versus James Day, ticket number U475454. Count one. Violation marijuana charge. Ticket number U797557. Count one, entering without owner's permission. Good morning, please state your name to the record. Attorney Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherica Harris, P72832 on behalf of Mr. Day. Mr. Day, please state your name for the record.
James Byron Day.
In Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, he would stand mute, waive formal reading. We would ask that any warrants be recalled. It's my understanding that there are recommendations to dismiss both matters, and we would ask the court to adopt the recommendation which stipulates probable cause.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Day, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You understand what happened, Mr. Day?
Yes.
Okay, so you're all set. You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Destiny Rucker. Ticket number P1276982. Count one, disregard signal red or amber. And ticket number P1276990. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Rucker. Ms. Rucker, please state your name for the record.
Destiny Montana Rucker.
Your Honor, Ms. Rucker was able to present valid documentation regarding her insurance, and I know that the recommendation does state that it could be dismissed upon that display. So we would ask court to adopt a recommendation for a dismissal. We stipulate to probable cause.
And good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit. P70303. No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. The civil infraction, is that in default? It's not.
It probably is in default.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rucker. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. This is the People versus Amanique Reynolds. Ticket number P1220777. Count one, drive on license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And count three, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Reynolds. Ms. Reynolds, please state your name.
My name is Amanique Reynolds.
Your Honor, we have discussed the cases before the court and her rights. It's my understanding that she is waiving her right to trial and entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation. Is that correct, Ms. Reynolds?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Reynolds, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Harris today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
To direct your attention to the date of July 19, 2021 at 2:04 a.m. on that date and time where you add in here the location of Harper and Cashew in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
You driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
That vehicle unregistered or untitled.
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Ms. Harris?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will amend the count to improper plate. You stipulate the probable cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
If dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Reynolds, there's a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by September 21st?
I'm sorry, how much was it?
And Your Honor, before she answers that, I do apologize for interrupting. I would ask if the court would take into consideration, it's my understanding that Ms. Reynolds is possibly just released from the county jail and that she may still be on probation. And if the court would take that into consideration before imposing any fines and costs, if the court could waive any fines and costs, give her credit for time served, it would be appreciated.
Good morning, again, Your Honor, and good morning, counsel. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, no objection.
All right, so the court will waive the fine and give credit for time served, and you are all set, Ms. Reynolds.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Are we ready on these others?
Mr. Berry, are you ready on any of your matters?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna close the room. Everyone, please turn on your video and keep your devices on mute until your name is called. Everyone, turn on your video and keep your devices on mute until your name is called.
I put this on mute.
Mr. Reed and Mr. Durr, please enter into the camera.
All right, are we ready?
And Mr. Durr, turn on your video, please. '36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Good morning, Mr. Berry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the People versus Tina Drone. Ms. Drone, you can unmute yourself. This is case ticket number SP 1030910, count one. Driver's license expired. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Berry.
Your Honor, I apologize. I did not speak with Ms. Drone. Ms. Drone, did you speak with Attorney Harris?
No, I haven't spoke to anyone.
Okay, Ms. Drone, do you have a valid driver's license?
I just have an ID.
You don't have a valid driver's license?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the offer is failed to display. That's a no point offense. The fine would be $200 and the court would give you till September 21st to pay that fine. You can either take that offer. If you needed more time, you could get more time. You could take that offer, or you could go to trial. There's a jury trial you could have, or you could have a bench trial. So you could take the offer, we could do it now, or I could put you in a breakout room and you can wait to speak with that attorney.
I can take the offer. And can they update my address, because they sent in my paperwork to my old address like over 10 years ago. So I'm not getting all my paperwork from the court, and then I end up with a traffic warrant because I talked to someone yesterday and she said they sending my stuff to my old address I was at like 10 years ago.
Okay, you changed it with the post office?
I changed it long time ago. I told them my house just got on fire April the 6th, but I told them to keep sending mail.
Ms. Drone, okay, when we're done, you can call the court and we'll address that. All right, so this is, it's my understanding, Ms. Drone, you've indicated that you wish to take advantage of the offer. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes, I swear.
Okay. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court with your attorney, Mr. Berry, present about your case and your rights. Is that true?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes, ma'am.
I direct your attention to February 4th, 2020 at 3:02 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Congress and Bates in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
When the driver's license expired?
Yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display and will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine as I indicated. Can you have that paid by September 21st?
yes, by September 21st, yes, I can have it paid by that time.
Okay, did you have any questions?
And on all my tickets, can they give me a payment arrangement? Because I'm kind of confused on a lot of stuff. But on my tickets, can I get like a payment arrangement or something?
To do that, you need to come down to the court and set that up. You could, with the cashier's office, you're gonna have to put something on it. So you got to pay something, and then once you do that, they'll give you a payment arrangement and give you additional time if needed, because you owe money on other tickets.
Yes, it's a lot of old tickets, but yeah, I owe on some. I gotta make court dates on some of them because they sent it to the wrong address. So I gotta make court date on some of them, and then the other tickets, I have to make payments on.
Okay. Right, so yeah, you should come down to the courthouse to the cashier's office to get that squared away.
Okay.
You have a question? Did you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. Good luck, man.
Ms. Drone, do you have the number to the, to call the court clerk about your address?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus DeVell Reed. Are you ready on that one, Mr. Berry? The offer for that is plead to count 1, expired plates, improper plates, and then dismiss everything else.
We are ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus DeVell Reed, ticket number P125. And you can hang up, Ms. Drone, you're all set.
Okay, thank you. Please hang up.
Welcome. P1251566, count 1, improper place, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Berry.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Reed. State your full name, Mr. Reed.
DeVale Valentino Reed.
Your Honor, Mr. Reed has documents. The prosecutor would like to see them. And we're anticipating a dismissal. Mr. Reed, hold up your registration.
You gotta put it closer to the camera. Put it closer to the camera. Can you move it over some? What's the expiration date? Oh, I see. Okay. That is in fact valid. What about if she has insurance too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So with that, you stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Berry?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear that.
You stipulate the proper cause?
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Reed. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much. So I'm all set. No more tickets. Thank you, guys. Have a good week.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Asia Ross, ticket number P1245136. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, blocking crosswalk or interfering with pedestrian. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Ross. State your full name, Ms. Ross.
Asia Ross.
Your Honor, Ms. Ross has a valid license. The prosecutor has agreed to dismiss all of the charges.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Matters dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. This is the People versus.
I can leave.
Yeah, you're all set.
Thank you.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna call Renee Reed, but to make sure this is one case. I don't see it as a offer. Does Ms. Reed have any valid documentation? She has insurance?
No.
Renee Reed, Your Honor, there's an offer. She accepts the offer to plead to improper plates.
But yeah, the only thing is I see another ticket.
Oh. Well.
Oh, I'm talking about upstairs.
Oh, I know, I was a little late. I know already.
No problem, but it's not much. You should be 10, 15 minutes late. Because we got rid of a lot for it.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry.
No
I
problem.
had to.
Wasn't me this time, Dante.
It was me. So,
Okay. We tried to make it easy for her today.
yeah, it was easy yesterday.
So it's gonna be real easy today.
I'm sorry. I was trying to.
What was the ticket for? No, improper things, but you said it's 3 more tickets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she can do 1 more.
There's another ticket, Mr. Berry, where she's charged with driving while license is suspended, improper plate, and no insurance. So if she's willing to plead to another count of improper plates, it'll be 2 counts of improper plates, I'll dismiss, I'll waive the fine for one of the improper plates, and then it would just be a $200 fine. Is she willing to do that? Are you willing to do that, Ms. Reed? You understand?
No, I don't understand because on my papers, I only had 3 tickets.
You have, it's 4 tickets. You have this one ticket from 2018, and then you have a ticket from 2022.
2018, I don't recall that ticket.
It's a no insurance misdemeanor. From January 6, 2018, 12/28, you were at Mack and Grand Boulevard. You're alleged to have been at Mack and Grand Boulevard.
I think that ticket was paid. I think that was my very first ticket ever.
Did you go before a judge?
Yes.
You hold right. You hold right.
No, I can't go on jail.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It says it's closed. Okay, it is closed. All right, it is closed, so. So are you willing to do the improper plates on the 3 tickets and dismiss counts 1 and 3?
Yes,
Okay, raise your, did I call the case?
No,
Okay, this is the People versus Renee Reed,
Yes.
ticket number S41. I'm sorry, ticket number 741-981. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Reed. State your full name, Ms. Reed.
Renee Reed.
Your Honor, the offer that Ms. Reed would avail herself is to enter a plea to improper plates.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Reed. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Barry today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading
Yes.
of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 31st, 2022 at Woodward and Endicott in the city of Detroit. Is this, I can't, is this the street?
Yes.
You know, right. Were you driving a 2020?
2012.
I can't read this hand right. You were driving a
I could barely read it either. He wrote it so fast.
Right, a 2012 vehicle?
Yes, Buick.
Okay, oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, Buick Verano.
I see it. All right, and were your plates improper?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Barry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied factual basis. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by September 21st?
Can I have it in like early October? Because I also have other tickets too.
October 19th.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Well, all right, this is the People versus Alum Durr.
It's Alam. It's Alam.
Alam Durr, ticket number P10133278. Count 1, drove by license not valid or improper license. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effective 1/1/86. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number 445181. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number 246613. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 15557380. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number C533549. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count, these might be in the fall. Yes, they are. Ticket number 16246613. 2, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. No, I'm sorry, count 1 was drive while license suspended. Let me say that number again. Ticket number 16246613. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P112053. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. And then one has some state matters. Ticket number P808577. Count 1, improper plate. Ticket number PA51423. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P808576. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Durr. State your full name, Mr. Durr.
Alam Gerald Day.
Your Honor, Mr. Durr would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to driving while license suspended, no registration, and no insurance. Those are counts ending in 1, 6, 1, 2, and 3. The bottom of the 19, the remaining 16 charges to be dismissed, Your Honor.
I'm trying to find that actual ticket.
1, 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. There's some more tickets I didn't call. Ticket number 217270016.
Okay.
Count 1, drive on license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. So there are some state matters that if he needs to make admissions to, because there's some state matters that's not included in the offer. If he made admissions to drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor, and driver's license never acquired, then the court will dismiss the improper plate, drove while license not valid or improper license, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle, and no insurance misdemeanor. So he would need to make admissions to a total of 6, and then everything else will be dismissed. It's all the same. They're all the same charges. So, Mr. Durr, do you want to do that, or did you want to set this for a trial?
You say it. I gotta get charged with 6 of them instead of 3.
Yes, sir.
And what's the 6 charges again?
They're all the same. No license, no insurance, unregistered vehicle.
So I have 3 of each, is what you're saying. I mean 2 of each.
2 of each, yeah.
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. You had an opportunity, put your head out. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry today in private about your case and your rights.
Yeah, about the 3 tickets, yes.
Okay. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 25th. Let's do this one. Okay, one second. Do this one instead. I'm direct your attention to the date of February 6th, 2017 at 12:15 p.m. on that date time where you at or near the location of Wyoming and Fenkell in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2002 Buick?
Yes.
Was your license not valid or improper?
At the time, no, it wasn't.
Your driver's license. And was your vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 23rd, 2021 at 6:50 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near the location of the Asbury Park and Grove in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You're driving a 2007 Pontiac vehicle.
You said a 2007 what?
Pontiac.
Yes.
Was your license suspended?
Yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No. No.
You're satisfied about your basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Again, yes, we so stipulated.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. What I'll do is for the 2021 ticket with the drive-by license suspended, there's a $200 fine. For the no insurance in 2021, that's a $200 fine. And then for the drive and register untitled vehicle, there's a $200 fine. For the other three you made admissions to, I'll waive those fines, and so you just owe $600. Can you have that paid by September 21st, or do you need more time?
Yes, I have it.
Say it again. You went out. Say it again.
I said yes, I will have it. I will have it paid.
You can have it paid by the 21st of September?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay, you have any questions?
No, I don't.
You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Some other stuff to put on the record.
That's, we done with everybody on.
Okay, you want to put these on the record? Okay, all right, we can put these on the record. This is the people versus Tasia Robinson, ticket number 193989011, count 1, driver's license expired, count, ticket number 184790923, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with whoever attorney, just say your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Robinson, respectfully requests to waive her appearance. She was advised of her rights and has respectfully requested a pretrial date.
Right, this is set for a pretrial for September 16th at 8:35. This is the People versus Alice Reardon, ticket number P1239842, count one, lead scene of accident, property damage, no insurance misdemeanor. And count two is no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Reardon, respectfully requests to waive her appearance. She was advised of her rights and respectfully requested a trial date.
Bench trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will continue her not guilty plea set for a bench trial on September 16th at 9 o'clock. This is the People versus Charles Davis, ticket number P1201441, count one, allowing a licensed driver to drive, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Davis, respectfully requests to waive his appearance. He was advised of his rights and respectfully requested a trial date, a bench date, please, and thank you.
All right, so the court's going to continue his not guilty plea set for a bench trial on September 16th at 9 o'clock. This is the People versus Melissa Reed, ticket number U618024221, count one, interfering with the police officer, and ticket number U6180231. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Reed, respectfully requests to waive her appearance. She was advised of her rights and respectfully requested a trial date.
All right, so her not guilty plea is continued and it's set for a bench trial for September 16th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I think that's